UGC NET PSYCHOLOgy UNIT Part 6 Circle. And from this, let's see the last part. It is the last part in this unit. Let's see in detail what are the things we are going to learn here. Is very clear exam focused notes for experimental designs, ANOVA, MANOVA, ANCOVA, Latin square, single subject, etc. It's perfect for UGC NET Psychology Unit 2. After notes, I can also send, but I can also give you previous year question if you want. Psychology notes, experimental designs. So I know you know more than 3 we are using that. But now let's see in detail. What do you mean by ANOVA? Analysis of variance, in short, ANO and VA they are taken, okay? Analysis of variance. Used when comparing 3 or more groups on one dependent variable like DV. A. One-way ANOVA. One independent variable IV. 3 or more levels. 1 DV or dependent variable. Test difference between group means. F is equal to between group variance within group variance. Example, comparing exam scores of 3 teaching methods. B. Factorial ANOVA. In this we see that 2 or more independent variables. For example, like 2 into 2, 3 into 2 design. Examines mean effects, each independent variable alone. Interaction effect, independent variables together affect dependent variable. For example, gender, male or female, versus teaching method, A or B on performance. Randomized block design. Participants are divided onto homogeneous blocks, then randomly assigned to treatments within each block. The controls for subject-related confounding variables. For example, blocking by age before assigning treatment. Repeated measures design, third one. Same participant measured under all conditions. Subjects act as their own control. Reduces error variance, also called within subject's design. The problems here carry over, fake, practice effects. The fourth one is Latin square design, used when controlling order effects. Each condition appears once in each row and column. Useful for repeated measures when full counterbalancing impossible. The example 3 conditions ABC, BCA, CAB. Fifth one, cohort studies, used in developmental and health psychology. A group with shared characteristics, for example, birth year, followed over time, often longitudinal types. Prospective cohort, following to future. Retrospective cohort, past data used. Sixth one, time series design. Repeated observations before and after treatment. Checks whether changes due to treatment are not. Fluctuation. For example, monthly depression scores before and after therapy. Seventh one is MANOVA. Multivariate ANOVA, that is called MANOVA. And this is used when there are 2 plus groups like independent variable and 2 plus dependent variable DVs. Test groups difference occurs combined dependent variable effects, controls type 1 error rate. For example, effect of therapy on both anxiety and depression together. ANOVA, analysis of covariance. ANCOVA, analysis of covariance. Combination of ANOVA plus regression. Controls influence of covariates, continuous variables. Removes extraneous variance. provides adjusted means. For example, adjusting depression score by controlling age. Ninth one is single subject designs. N is equal to 1 designs used in clinical counseling behavior modification. Types are A, B design. A is equal to baseline and B is equal to intervention. Weak, no control for other factors. A minus B minus A or A minus B minus A minus A design. Stronger, withdrawal or reversal design. Multiple baseline design is here. And baseline staggered across like settings, behaviors, individuals. A changing criterion design, gradual change in behavior required. Criterion changes stepwise. And this is exact question asked in UGC NET psychology exam. If you want, I can now send a few more. You see all those things.